So many people they panic, say AI will take their jobs, AI will take their skills. If you go online, if you go offline, at the same thing, just calm down. If you know make sense, we no go fit post them for here. Welcome to Street MBA, where we share street business tips to go help your business grow and also help you to stand out in a saturated market. I know they here to kill your hustle. You just they here to shift your hustle. They here to help you upgrade your hustle, upgrade your skill. Just like every other technology we don't come over the years. The only question we dey to ask yourself now, you dey ready to shift with them? Or you go just stand for one place, make technology carry you come out. That one are the question where you supposed to ask yourself. So today I will explain to you how you could fit take upgrade your skills, upgrade your business, and upgrade your hustle using AI instead of to the fear AI. You will leverage AI as an opportunity to upgrade your skills. You remember those days of video club? If you no get CD or DVD for your house, that one a problem for you. Everybody they rent film here and there. But you see today, Netflix don't take over everywhere. Na them now, they know nobody they say CD plates out there again. The smart video club owners will adapt that time. Now them enter into selling decoders, DSTV subscriptions. Some of them will get better money, even open cinemas to they run their hustle they go. And others will feel like say the technology will come that time. You come to take their job, they close their shops, go house. In the same situation they here today with AI. AI no come here to come take your hustle. AI come here so that you go feel leverage on them, improve your skill, improve your business, improve your hustle. So instead we you go come the fear AI, you go leverage AI, take advantage of AI so that you go fit upgrade your skill. Remember typewriters, and a very very big skill to sabi typewriter back in the days. But you see today typewriters don't vanish because of the presence of computer. But people will be say they sabi typewriting. Many of them switch using the skills and experience they get from Microsoft Word and Excel. They use them to they survive. You see, technology know they kill your work. They kill people who know sabi to adapt. Very very stubborn. You know won't adapt. You dey very very lazy. You know if you adapt to the new technology where they you go suffer and your skill will suffer. Okay, now make we break them down. The kind of hustles where AI no fit kill, no matter what thing happen. Number one type of hustle na trust hustle. See for Nigeria where we dey like this, trust na number one currency. You know if you carry your 5 million naira go give robots, say make you go help you buy land, you go still need human being to guide you, negotiate, and then hold your hand together, go see the place, property where you want buy. You get somebody to hold accountable to when the business goes wrong. Businesses will rely on human trust like real estate, market supply, high level sales. AI no fit kill them at all, no matter the level of AI where they bring, because it involves trust. Human beings no fit come go they trust robots. Number two type of hustle where AI no fit replace, service hustles. For example, plumber work, barber, tailor, mechanic. Which kind of robots will come fix pipe for your house? AI fit design haircut style, but who go hold the clipper, barb the hair? Human service hustles, they no fit vanish. Those ones go still dey steady because it needs human beings to operate the machines, to operate the services. Number three type of hustle where AI no fit take now, local presence hustles. For example, logistics, delivery, market supply. Jumia fit use app, but who go push the bike, who go drive the bike, go do the delivery? Both fit run app, but who go drive the motor to go carry the passengers from one point to another? Now still human beings. So those kind of hustles, I know if you take over those kind of hustles, you still need human beings to function. Number four, street plus tech combo hustles. See this one, na jackpot. Trader way they sell provision for market, but still they use WhatsApp and Instagram to take orders. That one na future proof. Caterer will be saying they use Instagram to showcase in food and hire rider for delivery. That one na future proof career and business with that. AI no fit take over that one. No matter how you take do one, you go still dey in vogue because it needs human being to function. Any hustle will be say if you add trust plus presence and tech, that one na golden hustle where AI no fit kill at all. So when you define your hustle, when you dey look into your hustle, you dey look into hustles will be say involve trust, presence, and tech. Na the way where AI no fit use kill your hustle be that. Anytime when you dey doubt whether your hustle dey safe, just ask yourself these three simple questions. Number one, my hustle depend on trust. Number two, my hustle need physical presence to function. Number three, I fit use AI as a tool instead of a competition. If the answer to any of these questions na yes, just relax, you dey secured. But if your hustle na something where AI fit do faster, cheaper, and even better, You just need to upgrade them immediately. Utilize AI, leverage AI as a tool to upgrade your skill and your business or even your hustle instead of seeing AI as a competitor. AI no go replace hustlers. It go replace lazy people wey no wan upgrade their business, wey no wan upgrade their skills, wey no wan upgrade their hustles using the presence of AI or utilizing AI. We go talk about photography, for example. You see, back then, you might be the go studio, go snap, then go print picture for you. But you see today, smartphones, they snap pictures clearer. I go even edit the picture for you, sharp, sharp, make them look better and brighter, even make them more attractive for eye. Many photographers vanish because they no fear adapt. But you see the wise ones, the ones will be say they adapt, they try to learn new things. Now them change style. Instead of passport photos, they enter into event photography, wedding photo shoots, birthday photo shoots, brand photography for Instagram business owners. They even use AI tools to edit their pictures, make it dey sharp, faster, and even deliver album sharp, sharp, sharp instead of to the wait or to the see AI as competitor. They utilize AI instead. You say now the same tool will be say e kill some people and become weapon for other people simply because they decide to upgrade their skill. They decided to leverage on it to improve their skill instead of seeing it as a competitor. Now how you use them, and you go determine whether AI go spoil your hustle or it go help you grow. Utilizing AI to upgrade your skill. Now one thing where they very, very necessary wey you guys know as a small business owner, as a hustler. So make I clear your mind. AI no dey kill your hustle at all at all. But na shifting go shift am. So you now as person wey be say you get the skill, you got shift. You no got stay one place. Hustle wey depend on trust is dey very, very safe. Hustle wey be say you need physical presence, e dey very, very safe. Hustle wey be say they combine street and tech, that one na jackpot. No AI fit replace am. So make you know dey fear. Start to learn how to use AI tools to run your business, to improve your skills, to make it faster, smarter, and then reach more people instead of seeing AI as a competitor. Drop your comments below. Tell me one hustle where you believe say AI no fit kill. Make we discuss am for Street MBA community. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more videos and more insight and tips wey go fit help your business and your skill grow.